Have you ever wondered how long it takes for Stash to pay out your earnings? It's a question that many Stash users have asked themselves, especially when they're eager to cash out their profits. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Stash payout process, exploring factors that can influence the time frame and providing you with insights to help you manage your expectations. What is Stash? Before we delve into the payout process, let's quickly recap what Stash is. For those who are unfamiliar, Stash is an investment platform that makes it easy for individuals to start investing, even with small amounts of money. It offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. The Stash payout process. So, how long does it typically take for Stash to pay out your funds? The answer is, it depends. Several factors can influence the time frame, including withdrawal method. The method you choose to withdraw your funds can impact the processing time. Bank transfers generally take longer than instant transfers or checks. Stash's processing time. Stash itself takes time to process your withdrawal request. This can vary depending on the volume of requests they're handling at any given time. Bank processing time. Once Stash has processed your withdrawal, your funds will need to be transferred to your bank account. The time it takes for your bank to process the transfer can also influence the overall payout time. Factors that can affect payout time. Withdrawal amount. While Stash doesn't have a specific policy regarding withdrawal amounts and processing times, it's generally accepted that larger withdrawals may take slightly longer to process. Market volatility. If the market is experiencing significant volatility, it can sometimes delay the processing of withdrawals, as Stash may need to reevaluate the value of your investments before releasing the funds. System issues. Technical difficulties or system outages can occasionally cause delays in the payout process. Best practices for faster payouts. If you're eager to receive your Stash payout as quickly as possible, here are some best practices to follow. Choose a fast withdrawal method. Opt for instant transfer or check if available. Bank transfers can take several days or even longer. Ensure accurate account information. Double-check that your bank account information is correct to avoid processing delays. Be patient. While we've discussed factors that can influence payout time, it's important to remember that Stash generally strives to process withdrawals efficiently. Real-life examples and testimonials. To provide you with a better understanding of the Stash payout process, let's hear from some real-life users who have shared their experiences. User 1, I recently requested a withdrawal from Stash, and it took about 3 business days for the funds to reach my bank account. I was quite satisfied with the speed. User 2, I had a bit of a delay with my withdrawal due to a market fluctuation. However, Stash's customer support was very helpful and kept me updated on the status of my request. User 3, I've been using Stash for a while now, and I've always found their payout process to be reliable. The funds typically arrive within a few days of my withdrawal request. While the exact time frame for a Stash payout can vary, understanding the factors that influence it can help you manage your expectations. By choosing a fast withdrawal method, ensuring accurate account information, and being patient, you can increase the likelihood of a timely payout. If you're a Stash user or considering joining the platform, I encourage you to share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights can be valuable to others who are curious about the Stash payout process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.